Now, let's do arm balance, that is crow pose. So, what you can do is first go in Malasana. Okay. Then you can shift the weight, point the toes back, and then hold this for 30 seconds. Okay. And in case if you can't do this, as usual, try to shift the weight and just come back. Try to shift the weight for at least 1 second, 2 seconds, or gradually keep increasing. Okay. Then one more drill I will give for experience is finish off one set of crow posture. After that, you can just do this drill where you do the crow, put crown of your head down, then tripod headstand. Again, bring your legs down. Again, try to balance. Okay, and come back to Malasana. Anything is fine. Yeah. So those who can manage doing this one, crow pose, try holding that for at least 30. Oh, that's good, Shilpa. Wonderful. Good, Arish. Excellent, Arish. Good try, Arish. Wonderful. So nice, Arish. Fantastic. Wonderful, Sumit. Good, Shilpa.